Hello friends, welcome to Unity Essentials video tutorial series. In the previous video tutorial, we started discussing GameObject menu. We understood GameObject menu commands with respect to creating game objects. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss GameObject menu commands with respect to working with hierarchy of game objects. Here we have some of the commands which are used while working with hierarchy of game objects, guys. We have center on children, make parent, clear parent, set as first sibling, set as last sibling, toggle active state. We understand these commands in this video tutorial clearly. First of all, I'm going to create one cube. I say GameObject 3D object cube. Next, I create a sphere. I say GameObject 3D object sphere. I move it a little bit towards right. What if I need to make this cube as a parent of this sphere? What are the steps we carry? First, we select the cube, we hold down the control key and select the child, that is sphere. We go to GameObject menu, say make parent. You can see that now the cube is the parent of sphere. What happened here, guys? The sphere is moved from the root level to the cube's local space. And we also know what happens when we make parenting. There is a link created, an invisible link created between the parent and its children, right? If I select the cube and move it to the left, you can see that its children are going to move. Here the sphere is moving, right? Let me place it at the origin. What if I need to unparent? What if I need to move this sphere back to the root level? So what you do is you select the children or a child, then go to GameObject menu, say clear parent. You can see that the sphere is not within the local space of the cube. Now it is moved to the world space, that is, it has been moved to the root level. Now I'm going to create some more spheres. I select this sphere, say Ctrl D to duplicate, move it a little bit forward. I say Ctrl D to duplicate, drag it to the left. I say Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it back here. So we have 4 spheres. What if I need to make this cube as a parent of sphere, sphere 1, sphere 2, sphere 3? What I have to do, guys? First we select the parent. So I click on the cube, then I hold down the control key, then we select the children. So I select sphere, sphere 1, sphere 2, sphere 3. Then I go to GameObject menu, say make parent. You can see that the cube is the parent of sphere, sphere 1, sphere 2, sphere 3. What if I need to place this parent exactly at the center of its children? To do that, we select the parent, that is the cube here. I go to GameObject menu, say center on children. If I say center on children, you can see that the cube or the parent is placed exactly at the center of its children. Here we have sphere, sphere 1, sphere 2, sphere 3. They are all siblings because they all have the same parent cube. They are siblings. Here sphere is the first sibling and sphere 1 is the last sibling. If I have to make this sphere as the last sibling, then we select the sphere, go to GameObject menu, say here set as last sibling. You can see that the sphere is moved at the last. What if I need to make this sphere 1 as a first sibling? Then we select the sphere 1, go to GameObject menu, say set as first sibling. You can see that the sphere 1 is the first child of the cube. The last command we have is a toggle active state, which is used to activate or deactivate a game object. Now for example, if I select this sphere and go to GameObject menu, say toggle active state, it is not in the active state. You can see here its active state checkbox is unchecked. If I select it, you can see that it is again active. If I go to GameObject menu, say toggle active state, it is inactive. I say GameObject and then I say toggle active state, it is again active. The game object will not be destroyed, guys. Only thing is it is inactive in the scene. It will be in the hierarchy, but it is not considered as an active game object. So hope you guys have understood what the center on children command does. How do you make parent? How do you clear parent? How do you set a game object as a first sibling? How do you set a game object as a last sibling? How do you toggle the active state of a game object? So that is all about commands with respect to hierarchy guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I think for this video tutorial, this much is enough friends. In the upcoming video tutorials, we get more information. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.